In this video, we are going to see that if you have multiple saved login credentials on the Facebook application and you want to remove that just to avoid the easy access on a single click, here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the top left hand corner on the three lines if you're on the home tab. Just click on that. And we want to scroll down a little bit until we see the settings and privacy. Click on the settings. And on the top, you see this account center. Go in here. And from here, we click on the password and security option. And on the third option, it says save login. Obviously, there might be some other placing of the save login by the time you're watching this video. So let's click on the save login and it will just ask you for the confirmation of the password before you can adjust the settings. And it might ask you the double confirmation of the authenticator app as well. Let me just go in that option again. So you see this kind of options. And from here you can see all the saved your login info and other devices in browser. Remove the saved login info from Facebook and Android 13, and all the removal options are there. Remove saved login from the Facebook, Android and Android 15. Remove saved login from Chrome and Android 10. So remove saved login from devices cloud backup, and all the specific options you got it here. You just click on that relevant option and you can easily delete and remove your credentials. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.